Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel, and today's video is going to be about my everyday makeup look. I already made my face and my eyebrows, so I just want to show you how I'm going to do my makeup for every day, for something that is going to be still gives you nice glam, but also it's not going to be involved so many things and the techniques, and it's going to be really easy to do. So my face is done, as I said, and my eyebrows, so we can start with the makeup. So for my everyday, usually I'm not going for the crazy colors. I would be going more for like a nude shades, browns, you know, I like the brown shades as well, and I like when it's a little bit glossy finish. So what I will be doing, I will be actually using, let's go with this, and this is the Morphe palette, and the first one I would be using that shade in here, and I will be just working on my crease. Okay, I like to go up a little bit up to my eyebrow, and the rest of the product I would like to bring it a little bit down. Okay, and here don't be afraid to spend time to blend this shade as much as you can, because that's gonna helps you to create that lovely smoky finish, and then you don't have to work with the next shades that much. So I will do a little bit more and just see, I am not putting loads of pressure on that because I want to have that flawless finish. Plus, you know, if you would put too much pressure, then you're going to make that, how to this, sorry, this is, what is it, one is the second language I am still talking, and it's going to be that kind of mark that's going to be in, almost like, for me almost is impossible to blend it, and the only thing how I can fix that stuff, it would be applying the shimmer products, but I wouldn't, sometimes that's not gonna work because we are not going for that look, so it's better to take your time here. So now I will move to my next eye, and I will come back to you when I will have it, when I will be going with the next step here. I would be using a smaller brush, so I use first this one, now I will be going with that one, and then again I will be using another color from the Morphe palette, and it's gonna be the middle one here. And now what I will be doing, I will be just working the corner of my eye. Okay, just one corner, okay, here and up here, and now I will be blending that product in here. Okay, so now I will be mixing those two colors that I used already, and now I will just go in here. Okay, so now I will go back and blend that corner. So I go back with that same brush that I used the first time. Okay, and I will blend a little bit more in the corners. Okay, and now, simple thing, what I will be doing, I will be using some shimmer product, and then actually I will use my highlighter. The highlighter I will actually apply on my fingers. It works the best for me to bring that shimmer. Second, I just need to and I will upload it under my brows, but just tiny. So now I'll be using my eye pencil, and this one is from the Revolution as well, and I like that one because it's very soft, so that's why it can work well with this product. I just find my brush now. What I'm going to use, I will be using my eyeliner brush. This one I have from the Estee Lauder, and it's my favorite one because the tip is so pointy. I used to use that as well for my brows in my previous videos, but now I am using the Anastasia Beverly Hills pomade. Yeah, that one. So I'm using her brush. So that's the trick now. I will be making. I'm not going to go with the full eyeliner. I will be doing just the halfway. I just want to make that kind of that natural flick. So I will follow my eye shape. Okay, and I wouldn't use that much product because it's, as I said, it's very soft, so it's going to be easy to work out with this product. Okay, so now whatever you want, whenever you want to stop, I will go that much. So I'm kind of connecting that part here with this one, and I'm bringing this up, okay? And the same thing I will be doing with the other side. Okay, can you see my eyes are going a little bit up? And if you want to make a little bit darker line, you can go with the dark color. I have it here, the black color, my palette, and I will just kind of set this eyeliner, eye pencil, whatever you want to call it. Okay, so it's so funny because this kind of look I was actually doing when I was a teenager, and for years I wasn't, but recently it's like a new trend, so I was just like, okay, maybe I will go back, we'll see how it's gonna be after 20 years. Yeah, that's how old I am, you know. So I was like, oh gosh, that actually looks nice, and it just gives that lovely flick, and it's not too much, and it's still brightening. So that's what we are looking for at the moment. So now I will finish my look with the mascara, and I will come back to you. Okay guys, so this is my finished look, and this is, I will go closer so you can see that shimmer, the line in here. Okay, I hope you like this video. I hope you find this a little bit helpful. I hope it's gonna gives you more inspiration, you know, for doing your makeup every day. It can be done in a few minutes, and you don't need to do, you know, lots of things and lots of equipment. And that's how you can create it. You can use whatever products you like, whichever products you love, and then yeah, that's it. You know, just play around, just you know, just see how you're going to feel. And if you find this helpful, just let me know in the comments below. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Goodbye, bye bye.